The meeting between President Akufo and the executives of the Trades Union Congress, which is the first after the president's assumption of office, afforded them the opportunity to deliberate on a number of issues. On SSNIT, Dr. Yaw Baah proposed some reforms.
There must be a stakeholders committee that should be constituted, which brings together representatives of government, employers, unions, and pensioners. This committee should meet at least once every year to receive and consider reports from the board and management of SSNIT. The committee should be charged with the responsibility of reviewing board decisions and operations of SSNIT, with special focus on major investments and payment of benefits to retirees. In addition to the annual audits, there is a need for external evaluators to evaluate SSNIT's operations at least once every 4 years. The evaluation report will be presented first to SSNIT board and to the proposed stakeholders committee for consideration and action. The Director General, Deputy Directors General, and senior management staff of SSNIT must be appointed by the board, or they should be nominated by the board for the appointment by the president. The board of SSNIT should be expanded to include at least 2 more representatives of workers and employers. The chairman of SSNIT board is now currently appointed by government. We propose that 2 vice chairpersons are appointed, 1 workers representative and 1 employers representative.
On the ECG concession, he noted that MIDA has sidelined the Public Utilities Workers Union in the payment of redundancy benefits and is trying hard to use the back door to engage ECG workers directly. Thus urged the president to intervene to ensure that the union is properly engaged so that the country can benefit fully from the compact. Dr. Yaw Baah also noted that the TUC cannot support the sale of VRA plants, adding that such strategic assets are so crucial for industrial development. He further added that TUC does not support the privatization of such important national assets. He also touched on other issues. Minister for Employment and Labour Relations, Ignatius Bafuewa, spoke to the media after the meeting.
What we need to do is that we have to carry out the reforms, starting from actually making sure that the legal regime itself is looked at, and where necessary, the reforms will start from the amendments of the law. If there need be, also that we may have to even come out with a new law altogether, we may have to do. The president also indicated that on the issue of the ECG concession, he had earlier on 1st May, indicated that he would want to see more Ghanaian participation in the concession. So a Ghanaian or Ghanaians should be majority shareholders in the concession, and he indicated that the Ghanaian participation should not be less than 51%. Today, he affirmed that position of his.
From the Flagstaff House in Accra, Adele Kwesi Mashtube reporting for Metro News.